Today, we're drawing Tralalero Tralala Brainrots. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Alright guys, let's start this brainrot masterpiece. First, draw a slanted box for the snout. And add 2 tiny black squares for the nostrils. Next, drop a small triangle underneath for the jaw. Now pull 2 long straight lines back to make the main head block. Time for the dorsal fin. Make it chunky and jagged, kind of like staircase steps. Very Minecrafty. Close off the side of the face with a straight line. Drop a big square right in the middle for the eye. Leave a little white box for the highlight. And draw a cool zigzag line right across the face. Here comes the best part, the mecha legs. Right under the jaw, draw a thick, robotic shoe. Add a little vent line in the middle so he looks heavy-duty. Then, just extend the back of the body with a few more straight lines. Now let's build the back leg. Draw a curved, blocky piece going down like a joint. Attach another massive mecha shoe at the bottom. Add 3 vent lines this time. Oh yeah, this shark is ready to stomp. Let's add the back shoe tucked right behind here. Just draw another chunky block peeking out from the bottom. Keep it simple. Add a couple of straight lines for the vents. Awesome! Now, let's connect the main body blocks. And right here on the side, we need gills. But not just any gills. Make them thick and blocky, like mecha armor vents. Draw 3 of these pixelated shapes. Then, pop a few small square bumps on top of his back for that extra jagged look. Oh man, it's looking so good. And for the final touch, the tail. Draw a sturdy, blocky fin sticking out the back. Make it look jagged, kind of like a pickaxe. There you have it, the ultimate brainrot mecha shark. And boom! Look at that! I love how this turned out. If you had fun, smash that like button and subscribe for more drawings. See you next time!